Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Brown from alphalifestyleacademy.com, and today's video is entitled How to Boost Your IQ. But before we go ahead and get started with today's video, I want to invite you to take our performance-based personality test, because there are two personality traits that are the greatest predictors of wealth, which you can do so at millionairetest.alphalifestyleacademy.com. Now, chances are you were not born with these traits. I know I was not born with these traits. I have had to cultivate them. So we'll walk you through on how to cultivate them at millionairetest.alphalifestyleacademy.com. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which again is entitled How to Boost Your IQ. Now, high IQ individuals are better able to cope with criticism, recover from trauma, and have enhanced problem-solving abilities. IQ is just one of the two personality traits that are the greatest predictors of success in multiple areas of your life, including financial success. Because in business, you may have to endure criticism, because they may think your ideas are stupid or just don't understand you. Past traumas cause many people to self-sabotage themselves. But if you can spend less time recovering from past traumas, the better. Entrepreneurs are problem solvers. Many times, entrepreneurs solve problems that we didn't even know we had. Society was fine with candles or the horse and buggy. That was until Thomas Edison discovered the light bulb and Henry Ford discovered the horseless carriage, as it was then called. Intelligent people are called smart because they can repeat things that really smart people say. School teaches you to remember facts and figures, but they don't teach you how to think. Now, in an article at alphalifestyleacademy.com entitled How to Increase Your IQ, we talk about an exercise to boost your IQ by 23 points in just 6 weeks. Now, research has found that there are 6 areas of life that are the greatest predictors of happiness. I want to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on the next video on this series on how to develop the 6 traits that are the greatest predictors of happiness. Now, if you found this video helpful, also be sure to hit the like button. Now, I had a blast recording this video for you today. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, and we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye now.